What's up, guys? How's it going? Today I actually received my Traxxas Link module from my Traxxas X Maxx. I'm gonna be installing this and showing you guys how it goes. Let's see. This is how the box looks. Part number 6511. That's part number 6511. Cost me about 40 bucks. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what this comes with. I have not installed this. It's brand new. There's the link. It comes with some instructions on how to put it on your controller and install it and get it linked up to your Bluetooth. All right, let's see. And it also comes with an L wrench. That way you can get the little screw off. And it also has an extra screw too in case you have lost the one in your controller. There's just one screw back here. Should be a pretty plug and play situation here. It's just one little screw you take off. You gotta pop this open right here. There you go, that's the original one. This is the link one. Alright, let's put it in. Yep, like butter. It fits with no problems. It should use the same screw. Yep, same screw. Went right in. It's perfect. Alright. So now, I already have my batteries inside the truck. That way it doesn't take too long, but I already have the batteries inside the truck to make the video a little quicker for you guys. But right now we are gonna turn on the transmitter. And I'm also, let's see, I should be able to just, you turn on your transmitter, you go to the back, and there's a button on it. It should light up blue. There you go. That's Bluetooth. Come back to the phone. My Traxxas Link app. Alright, Traxxas Link wireless module. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is where I go. Allow Bluetooth. Allow. You gotta search for the wireless module. For some reason it's not working here. Let's see what's going on. Go to my garage. Bluetooth on. Traxxas Link wireless module. You press right here, number 3, where I can start looking for it. There it is, connected. TQI transmitter update required. Proceed. Doing a firmware update. Doing an update right now for the beginning. I have not installed this. This is brand new. Well, while that's doing that, guys, let's see. Look at the Traxxas X Maxx. I love this truck. I already got everything in there. Looks pretty good. No issues so far. Alright, this is saying it's still updating. I had got this from my local hobby store. Cost me about 40 bucks. It's compatible with iOS and Android. It works with Bluetooth. It's gonna be pretty cool. That way I know how fast I'm going, how hot my engine is. You can also mess with the TSM on the app instead of doing it off the controller. You can do it real precise. Right now it's still updating. Sorry about the wait, guys. Still updating. Almost done. All devices appear to be updated. Wrapping things up. I actually didn't even take it out to use yesterday because I was waiting for this. Leave update screen. Alright, it should be connected. There's the dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the truck to see what difference we see there. Man, just hear that truck going. Sounds like it's a jet about to take off. Love this truck. And take in mind, in video, it doesn't do justice on how big this truck is. When you have this truck in physically in front of you, this truck is huge. Biggest truck I've ever owned. Yeah, it's connected. The car is cold, so there's no it's not showing me anything right now. Here's the voltage, miles per hour, your RPMs, your temp, your top speed right there. If you have lights, because you can add additional lights to the truck, that's a button right there. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty cool little feature for just 40 bucks. And I'll be taking it out today, posting some more videos today, so Thank you for watching the video.